Thank you for joining us for the Design Build Competition Online. Today's seminar will review how to access the Student Plan Room. A reminder that all of the rules and guidelines for the Design Build Competition are available online at designbuildcompetition.com. If you're accessing this webinar, hopefully you've already completed the student registration. If not, access designbuildcompetition.com and under number 1, click here in order to register. During the registration process, you will be asked if you've completed an OSHA 10 training. In addition, when you receive your registration materials, you'll also receive instructions on your username and your password for entering the Student Plan Room. Skipping down to item number 4 for the competition, this is downloading your tiny home plans from the online Student Plan Room. Accessing your email, you should receive an email from kcbex@kcbex.com. In this email, you'll receive your username and your password. You'll notice that when I click to log in, I've already updated my password, which we recommend for security purposes. Logging into the Student Plan Room, you'll see a number of plans that are available on the home page. The first is the 2020 Design Build. These are the plans that you're going to want to download. You'll see additional examples in here from real-world projects that have been bid using one of our online virtual plan rooms in the past. You'll want to go ahead and click on 2020 Design Build, which takes you to the home page for this year's competition's plans. In the top right corner, you're going to want to click on View Project Docs. This will bring up 2 items, the memos and the plans. By clicking on the plans, you'll see what is equivalent to a table of contents. You can go ahead and click on any of these items so that you can go back and forth once they have shown up on your screen. Using the green forward button, you can go ahead and see the different views. The floor plan, the framing for the floor plan, the framing for the north elevation, the framing for the east elevation, the framing for the south elevation, the framing for the west elevation, the roof, the building section, and your elevations. For the purposes of the cost estimate, you'll only be asked to estimate based upon the walls, noting that 2x4s for the wood studs, the sill plates, and the top plates are all the same product. If you'd like to compete in the Honorable Mention Scholarship, you can go ahead and cost estimate all of the walls, the floor, the windows and the doors, and the roofing materials, which are provided in all of these plans. Again, to move forward or back through any of the elevations, you'll want to use the left and right arrows in the top left corner of your screen. You can view the plans online, or you can also download them to your computer to access at a later point in time. Next, you'll want to visit designbuildcompetition.com in order to complete the cost estimate under item number 5. You'll click here for a cost estimate template listing out the items that were discussed earlier. Make sure when completing your cost estimate to let us know if you used homedepot.com or lowes.com in your pricing. Again, for the competition, only the wall portions of the structure need to be cost estimated. A recording of this webinar will also be available at designbuildcompetition.com. We wish you luck in this competition. For questions, please scroll down and click here to submit an RFI at designbuildcompetition.com no later than Wednesday, April 22nd at 5 p.m. Answers to RFIs, also called addenda, will be emailed to all competitors and posted on this competition website as well. Thank you for joining us today.